I'm not. Okay, be careful.
Okay. Ow. That's nice. That's a tiny bit.
Alright, I just wanted you to see your dogs interacting back here. So this is Izzy under the tramp over here. Izzy! Good girl. This pup right here that she's with is the litter mate's sister to this darker pup. So this darker pup right there, that's Indy, that's mine. And so yeah. So Izzy, I think she's like 6 months, right? And then we got this other pup that's a year old. And this female right here is my dog Rue. So the only two out of here that are mine are Rue and Indy. Indy's crazy.
Rue's insane.
Rue's pretty insane too.
Indy's crazy and Rue's insane.
That's right. Indy's crazy, Rue's insane.
Start saying you're funny.
And then, so these pups over here, my pup and then this other sister, are 1 year old. So they just turned a year. So it's kind of crazy that your female's that big. And I can't get this guy away from me.